This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Beautiful well care for corner unit condo. This 3-bed, 2.5 BTH corner unit home boasts an open floor plan. Eat-in kitchen with/bar, 42 cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and pantry. Hardwood pre-engineered floors down, carpet up. Decorative fenced-in patio with private storage unit. PBR ensuite west/French doors opens onto a private balcony and has a spacious closet. PBTH dual sinks and separate shower. All bedrooms have very large closets. Several upgraded features over standard builder offerings. Condo fees cover pool, clubhouse, exercise room, ground maintenance, and trash pickup. Conveniently located within minutes to both sides of the water. Close to bases, interstates, theaters, shopping, and dining. For more information, review the details below.